After a week of wildfires in the natural state, some here in Little Rock are giving back to those who put out the flames. THV 11's Carter Thweet joins us in studio. Carter, what are people doing for these firefighters?
Brooke, multiple restaurants here locally are offering discounts to these firefighters after the week we just had. It all started when Fire Captain Ron Hampton made a Facebook post that inspired these restaurants to help out.
I posted that about my crew because I was really, really proud of my crew because I'm in a new role of captain and I'm working with a new crew.
After a week of fighting fires, Little Rock's Ron Hampton didn't expect that post thanking his crew for their hard work to get much attention. But it did, even catching the eye of Deanna Barlogie, who co-owns local restaurants Raduno and The Fold.
They were so proud of being able to serve the community, keep everyone safe, save as many structures as possible.
So Barlogie made the decision to offer 25% discounts to firefighters from Thursday through the end of this weekend at both her restaurants. Over at Raduno, general manager and head chef Cash Ashley says it's the least they can do.
I feel like this was the way that we could help. Like, we got to be here, we got to run this restaurant, and we got to work. So how can we give? Is just give a little of what we're doing to the folks who have been out there literally fighting.
Barlogie says they've had some firefighters come in already and they expect more throughout the weekend. She says they're grateful for the meal and discount, though not as grateful as the restaurant staff are to them.
If it's getting them out of the firehouse, something they don't have to cook on their own, and they can come and have a great meal and get a little discount, and that's what we're here for.
And in a full circle moment, Captain Hampton already got to enjoy his discounted meal at Raduno. He says firefighters do what they do because they love helping people, not for any kind of thanks. But thanks doesn't hurt.
What they did and what they offered, that was really, really cool, and I appreciated it. I stopped by there today and I tell you, I can't wait to eat the leftovers.
Once again, that deal will be at both of those restaurants through Sunday night, and all you need is your firefighter ID to get 25% off.